In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Slack on PC and Mac. Installing the Slack desktop app is a simple way to stay connected with your team without relying on a browser tab all day. The desktop version gives you a more streamlined experience, including system notifications, unread message badges, and the option to keep Slack running in the background so you can stay updated more easily. We'll begin with Windows. If you're using a Windows PC, start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the window. Then type in the official Slack download page for Windows and press enter to go there. Make sure you're visiting Slack's official website so you download the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. This helps avoid unofficial downloads and ensures you get the proper installer for your computer. After the page loads, look for the download option for Windows. Slack's website is usually very clear, so the button should be easy to find. Click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. Once the file has downloaded, open it to begin installation. On Windows, this usually means clicking the downloaded file from your browser's download bar or opening it from your downloads folder. If your computer asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, choose yes so the installer can continue. Slack should then begin installing automatically. In most cases, there's very little you need to do manually. Just give it a moment to complete the setup. When the installation finishes, Slack should open on its own, or you can launch it from your desktop or start menu. If you're on a Mac, the overall process is very similar. Open your web browser and go to Slack's official download page for macOS. Once you're there, click the download button for Mac and let the installer file download completely. When the file is ready, open it to start the installation process. On macOS, this may involve opening the downloaded file and moving the Slack app into your applications folder. Follow the on-screen instructions if they appear, and give the process a moment to finish. Once Slack is installed, open the app and sign in to your workspace to get started. At that point, you'll be ready to access channels, direct messages, and notifications directly from your desktop. And that's how to download and install Slack on both Windows PC and Mac.